FSAAP Primed Brass Qualifier. 160 parts per minute average. Optical bottom end validation. Top end validation occurs on loader. Custom human machine interface. Industrial grade optical sensors. Visual interface for additional validation. Maintain the machine easily with open design and standardized parts. All metrics and controls at your fingertips. Operate quickly and with confidence for your clients. FSAAP designed and assembled Primed Brass Qualifier, starting at $50,000 with $7,500 per caliber changeover. Machine includes video training and SOPs, access to our maintenance and spare parts supply, and 2-day on-site runtime.